that I could ever want to share out in one location, and it's so fucking customizable. Absolutely love it. All right. Where were we on the music front? Weirdo? Am I hitting a button somewhere that I don't know about? From the asset library, smart shit 2D. Smart shape 2D. Wow. Thank you for the comment. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Well, ordinarily he looks a little bit more frightening than this, but I was playing around with making him fuzzy. And if you want to play an oboe, a double reed instrument, here's what you do. You take a look at a cat's asshole, a really close look at a cat's asshole, and you do your best to make your lips look like that. You go. And then you blow. There. That's a skill that you learned. When you wake, you're really going to be hungry. And you'll have dreams about somebody throwing pickles. Not at you. Not at anybody you know. But just somebody, some random person, throwing pickles. Maybe in the street. Maybe from a building. But it will definitely be pickles thrown. You're first! You're first! You're not the worst! No. The hell have you done here? Hacker hoodie and all. Theo, if you got anything you want to share, please, the floor is yours. I appreciate you. Also a member of the Claw stream team, one of the best stream teams on Twitch. Amazing people, amazing leader, amazing everything. Leaders coming in for the da, 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 da. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh. No. Oh. Damn it. I'm gonna get you. Fine. I accept my fate. And dead. City's revenge. Like you're talking with Captain. Let me see if I could do my Captain impression. I am not the Captain, but my eyebrows also move in a way like the Captain.
Thanks, JD, folks. Be sure to give JD some love.
Captain, go ahead. Stretch your legs out. Stretch everything that you need to stretch out. Here, I'll show you how the day is gone. Day's gone like this. Fruit fly just went up my nose. There's gonna be trouble ahead. Standing in the shower, just fuck. Fuckity fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck. No. Great Googa Mooga. If you can find a replacement for me, I'm gonna raid out, and this has been a lot of fun. We'll play again.
Was super fun, GD.
Give me 5, GD.
Yeah, let's all. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, team. All right.
See
Catch you later.
next time, Scout.
Lavenzy art. Things are going pretty well. I mean, wow, shit. Need some fluffy. For nefarious purposes. I don't want anybody listening using that clip of me saying it on repeat while they do whatever in the privacy of their own home. I don't want anybody hearing me saying, oh daddy, oh daddy, oh daddy, over and over again from that clip. Don't do it. It's as bad as ripping your dick off. So vets, I learned the hard way yesterday, and this is, you know, another good reason, back up your shit and use Git. Hey. Back up your shit. Use Git. I'm definitely doing. I'm getting frustrated trying to get all these themes together, and has me rethinking my life choices. Hot crab on crab action. That's right. You only see this normally down in New Orleans. Bit gamey, right on my head. Rig probably gonna win. Ooh, it's not a bit gamey and Rig. Rig has quite a bit more health, but it's anybody's game. Randomizer. Ooh, oh. The anger is rising. Anger's rising. Who's going to be the big winner of the cats? Oh, Rig wins! Shit. Bye. Bye. He's like a fainting goat. Check it out. Okay. Flashlight's on. Stun. I am going to level with you here. My ears are filling up with sweat right now. Oh, wait a tick. I don't know what you use for enchilada. Why'd that come out like a song? I don't know what you use for enchilada. Whatever you use, I'm going to eat a lotta. Hey, welcome in, Cody. Welcome in, Cricket. How you doing? I figured today I'm gonna just work on trying to fix the Drupal canvas module. Maybe a little ambitious, but get back to open source. So let's do it the way that it says we do it. No, I have a song, but it's more geared towards game dev, so I haven't played it because I don't do game dev. Tasteful Thickness, what's up? Yeah. The intro time for me is getting ready. Mainly not starting until the first ads finish up, and making sure that everything is going well. And the first ads don't run until 2 minutes in, and then 3 minutes of ads. Excuse me. And that way, nobody has pre-rolls when I start everything up. At least in a perfect world. How you doing, Digital Drummer? How's it going? Not sane. Hey, you're supporting the stream. Let's add folder to not to chat to workspace. Nice. Playwright's pretty cool. It is a very, very handy thing to have. I think that I'm using it in one of the attempts. Actually, yeah, I think that I have a custom module. Maybe not. I thought I did. Really thought I did. What the? Wait, what? For Oh, hold on. I left an alarm going. 1 second. Okay. Now, this is interesting. Move over here. Um, Nothing. And there's nothing in there. Right. And you're supposed to make things a little bit easier here. Um, okay, this is messed the hell up. No, it's not. I'm looking at an old version. Ah, geez. No, I'm not. This is the same stuff. Yeah. Add-on. List. Ah, hey, I just need to step away for a second. I left a timer going off in the other room. JDDoesDev. Okay. Got that. Then next after this was finish installation there. What we got? It's doing all the things.
JDDoesDev eats compiler errors for lunch, and they taste like chicken.
That's outstanding. Get the address ULI to log in. Yep. Yay. New link. This usage. JDev XP UI build. Wait, did it do the thingy? What's up, Van the Man? How you doing? Okay. Oh, come on. Open source. Open source. No, not you. No, don't even need you. Sure, that stays open. Okay, so we're at the... Oh, okay, so it has been fixed in the current version, in the dev branch version. Hold on a second here. Web modules. Okay, so we're there. Git remote add. Issue. Yeah, issue. Git check out issue. Right. Detach head, look around, make experiments. Git check out theme. Git pull issue. Oh, what the hell did I go into? 356? All right. And what were the new things here? Oh, this seems to have been, they pushed directly to the branch. I don't think they pushed to the branch. But it looks like they pushed to the branch. So no. All right, I'm forgetting something here. No, get fetch all should have done it. Why? Why did that suddenly work? What the hell? um, okay. So now there we are. Oh, this is part of the problem. This hasn't been pulled from origin in a long time. That's why it, or wait, what? Something isn't correct. Okay, that's not what I'm working on, though. That is not what I'm working on. Fallen, what is up? Okay. Got that. Press standard, blah, blah, blah. Development. Um, now Drupal canvas does not include the UI, built UI in its Git. Okay. Let's make things a little bit easy. We're almost going to do a work tree, a Git work tree type flow here. But not quite, but kind of. No, god damn it. Dun, 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 dun. Canvas dev, web modules. There we go. Now we have everything there. And but I will at the end. Okay. Now that says it's doing everything here. So what I'm trying to do is just get to a point where I can start testing stuff. Um, yeah. All right, where are the... I haven't done enough with running tests and forever on current Drupal. In here. PHP unit. Okay. They don't make it easy, do they? Um, this kind of goes back to my whole thing about, hey Zorro, what's going on? Um, First JDDev XB UI build. That's already there. Are you kidding me? Oh, my stomach just started hurting. I might. Actual hell. On. What the actual? Why the hell is that? What? Define type definition file for Beat plugin SVGR client. Okay. Types, but it doesn't exist. So did something just not get installed? Hey, Chem Crabs, what is up? Where is the where? What is that even needed for? You know, we might. I might just say fuck all this. I'm. This is beyond ridiculous. Hey, Tricky, what's up? All right. Excuse me. Mm-hmm. Follow it again. Shit. No install. Dev. Dev. Add on. Nope. List. That was the only one, right? Okay.
Did I ever tell you about the time
Okay, never
JDDoesDev
mind.
invited
This
me to
is
watch him debug a memory leak? We sat at his computer for 3 days straight staring at a black screen. Finally on the 4th day, JDDoesDev said there it is and pointed at a pixel that was slightly darker than the others. He deleted one line of code, the pixel turned white, and then he turned to me and said memory leaks are just pixels that forgot how to let go.
I'm excuse me. I'm this is frustrating. I'm trying to contribute. Can this, if this were just a normal Drupal module, this were just something like any other. What the hell? But it's a complex module, and I can't even get the instructions to contribute to work because it's got a lot of JavaScript, it's got a lot of React, it's got a lot of. I don't even know if we have WASM somewhere in there. Okay. Okay. That. Have XP set up. All right, I'm reaching out for help here. Yeah, digital drummer. That's kind of how I'm feeling right now. It's just um nothing there. You think that we use GitHub in Drupal? Oh. Oh, that's sweet.
Hey, insert rating streamer's
go.
name here. Thank you for the raid. How did insert last activity here go? Now, let's rock.
Raiders, 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 JDDoesDev just got some Raiders. Raiders, JDDoesDev just got some Raiders. You raided me, thank you. You raided me, thank you. Raiders, 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 JDDoesDev just got some Raiders.
Welcome in. How was your stream? What were you up to? Atlantis Ascending, welcome in. First time chat, good to see ya. It is going. Oh, it's not. Let's be honest. It's not. How was your stream? What were you getting up to? TwitchBot, nice. I'm trying to contribute to Drupal. Oh. I feel catfished. I don't know why. That just sounded like the word to use. So TwitchBot, nice. What the hell's going on here? It's fine. It's fine. I am trying to contribute to Drupal, but the contributing guide is making it nearly impossible. All that I want to do is follow the contributing MD. I'm thinking that is almost, let's see how different it is here at all. Nope, it's the same one. All right, so I've gotten to this point. DDev setup. DDev XP setup. No. Already set up. Butter toast with jam. Welcome in. So is it a DDev issue? There it is. Let's try restarting it. All right, yeah, go get some food. Also, for readers coming in, those of you who don't know me, I am JD. I'm a web developer professionally. I do quite a bit on stream, usually somewhere between game dev, Drupal, and I'm currently working on building my own hosting platform. Well, this is outstanding. Now we got to rebuild all the images. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. That's all you had to say. Problem was 5173 because fuck off. Excuse me. Come on. Oh. Okay, let's force our way into it. Is there a way to lock to point composer to a fork? I'm sure there is. Okay. Let's try that for now. We got here. Packages. Wait, what? Speed path. It's not really all right, I give up. I give up. Building so much shit in there. And now it's all broken because I have to go through. If I go to the fork, I'm gonna have to try to do all that again. Web. Git fetch all. Git check out 5.6. All right, there we go. Then here. Okay. Now, why? Okay, that worked. Now, I build. I wish it wasn't so. Save tonight. At the break of dawn, come tomorrow. This is Joe. Welcome in. First time raider. Or first time chatter. And raider. Possibly. Excuse me. How you doing? Fuck you, Drupal screen. Not you, is this Joe? This particular thing that is on my screen. I'm a web developer, primarily Drupal backend stuff. Right now I'm trying to contribute to one of the larger, more ambitious projects that Drupal has, and I am regretting even thinking about it. Get rid of everything that's new here because the the documentation for getting set up to contribute is lacking. Now, are there any other things? Wait, what did it do? NPM? As for my ultimate thing is I'm working on a hosting platform for Drupal. Okay, we got that now. Build the damn UI. Okay, types under there. Why? Is there something that I missed? I mean, what even file is that in? tsconfig JSON. 12 months ago. Right? Are you kidding me? Last week. Oh my God. Just out of curiosity. There's no dry run? Um, I guess that isn't a thing. Git merge. Wait, maybe it's Okay, what else is getting changed through here? A lot of stuff. Everything. You know what? Fuck it. I'm not. I can't do this. I'm just not in the right mindset. Man, I'm trying to help fix some issues in Drupal. In the Drupal canvas image or canvas module, but the fork of the module is so far diverged from the original from the main branch, from the 1x branch, that it's just this one. Oh no, that's so how old is that issue then? A week, a week, a week? It's just these three files. In a test. So what is different about this? Hell, I don't know. See if we could figure out the issue itself. Okay, image style. Filter, apply image style, this, apply image style. So we're going down here. Apply image style. So we have the image style name. Image style row load. So if it's not there, then we convert it to URI if needed. Get the URL. Okay. Transform the dimensions, and then that becomes part of the array. We return that result. So where is this being called from? It's only called when part of the twig filter. All right, and then, but the next step of it is, so if I were to just do it as an image style, if I didn't have it do anything else, I'm gonna hand it off. Okay. Let me see here. Um, see. All right, I complained, or not complained. I gave feedback about a week ago. Look again at the repo, and maybe. What do you mean I'm not signed in? Okay, so this test, yeah, it only tests that it returns an image style URL. But based on this, when you send it to canvas image with styled only, and that's how I was doing it, right? I'll be the first to admit if I messed up, if I'm wrong. There's a very, very, very good chance that I'm wrong. It was hero side by side. Quick. Okay, there we pass it to image styles image, so it has the image, the style, has the image URL, and it has the loading part. Great. And then image style image does exactly that. We apply the image style, so that matches right here, set styled, blah, blah, blah. And include with styled media only. So I'm following their directions, right? I'm not completely losing my brain. I'm probably losing my brain. Oh, jeez. I think it's then include canvas image with styled only, is what I did. And looking at canvas image, it does the source to source set width. Width, source, get width. Yep. Source to source set width. Okay, which does what? Hext Rando, welcome in. First time chat. A great question. The answer, in my opinion, is you contribute to open source. And what languages are you looking at? I mean, you say you're a junior, second main, a ton of things. What are you? What kind of dev you doing? Or do you want to do? Python and Go. Okay. So what I would recommend is get on GitHub and look for projects that use Python or Go, and then look for some open source stuff. You can look by stars too, Oh, okay, there's stars. And look for things like, okay, looking at Python, you could even narrow it down by the tag there and see that. Now what you're going to look for is novice issues, or there's a tag that GitHub has on a lot of issues, where if you look through the issue queues here, the issue has label good first issue right here. So issues like this are going to be good for getting you into different projects. Looking at good first issue. And that's one that is, it's out of the box with Drupal, or not Drupal, with GitHub for a lot of things. So if there's some library or something that you like, that you want to see if you can help out, look for good first issue. And people will be helpful. It may not seem that they're being helpful, but they're really trying to be helpful. If you put something up, say, yeah, docs is a great way. Updating docs is a great way. Testing user testing is a great way to contribute to open source. It's not just about writing code or getting the most commits under your belt, although those do help. But like, look at this one. If somebody, I'd like to work on it. A lot of people are already doing stuff, but if there was a pull request for it, see 347. All right, this is fine. The fix for this, it was just changing the URL. So that's a good first issue. That's something to get you in there. Now, if you want to get a little bit, more into the meat of things, you go in the help wanted, just check and see. But what I would suggest is don't look for, and this is probably a bad example because it hasn't been updated since 2022. Looking for maintainers. Yeah, don't go to one that's looking for maintainers. But if there's, yeah, I more than help you to hap out. But yeah, find projects. But you want to look for projects that are active, that are being actively maintained. You want to look for projects that, and for issues that are, okay, this one doesn't have any good first issues. But you don't want to look for issues that have been around forever and have years of conversation going back and forth on them. Let's see, this one. Okay, it looks pretty active. No issues, though. I find that hard to believe, but it could be true. I mean, the stars aren't everything. Look for projects that have issues, or you can also I actually don't know the syntax there if you could find it, but just issues. Yeah, if you just go to issues assigned, or wow, that's a lot of issues. Email list. Wow. Yeah. Slack, Discord, I guess IRC still exists. Those are highly useful. Like what I was doing a minute ago, actually, typing over in the Drupal Slack about, got this issue. Hey, anybody want to take a look at this? And it's real time back and forth. Oh, these are just really bad. But a friend of mine gives a talk about translating documentation would be amazing. Internationalization, yes, yes. If there's a request for it. And if there isn't an issue, then write up an issue for it. If you think it's something that a project should have, write up the issue, create the issue, the ticket, and, you know, go to town on it. Oh. What? I have no idea what's happening here. Yeah, my friend gives a talk about contributing to open source without writing a line of code. Let me see if I can find. Bet she wrote. No, this is John. John wrote it. Oh, that's right. That's right. Amy June was going through and asking a bunch of us to write blog posts, and I never did. I haven't read the article, but it's written by my friend John, so I'm gonna thumbs up it, just sight unseen. Where is one of our... Oh, first time contribution workshop. Yeah, that's one version of it, I think.
So without further ado, you are
Yep. This isn't a picture from MidCamp. I don't know where that's a picture from, but oh, okay. Yeah, this was COVID time. Anyway. All right. My stomach is hurting. I'm gonna cut it early. I'm just not feeling great. So yeah. I think I'm gonna take off. Probably back tomorrow night, maybe. Not sure about Saturday, and then Sunday I'm on the road. Sunday I'm leaving for Florida to give my talk. Then I won't be back until the following Tuesday, probably. I'll put it on the schedule and I'll put it in Discord. So let's just. I don't feel good. All right, yeah, I'm just gonna send you over to Captain Krabs, and then I'm not gonna join. I gotta not be here. So send my love over to the Captain Krabs. Go check out his demo on Steam, and yeah, appreciate y'all. Hopefully you come back for the next one. Sorry, it's a short one. I've just gotta not feeling good. Take care.